Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th of August. And first of all, national news. Kerala implemented fake news detection in textbooks before UK. Official. Hindenburg report fizzled out. Investors' trust remain in stock markets. Unrest in Bangladesh hit mustard industry in Madhya Pradesh. Amit Shah met Meghalaya Chief Minister, discussed crisis in Bangladesh. Retail inflation eased to 3.54% in July at nearly 5-year low. Gautam Adani host UK Info met Shivning Adani Scholarship Awardees. Sharad Pawar put Maratha quota ball in Eknath Shinde center's court. Now, international news. Israeli minister told that large-scale Iranian attack expected. A report said. Policy of operation now over. New Bangladesh Chief Justice. Chinese scientists suggested drilling holes in planes' wing to reduce sonic booms. Putin ordered army to dislodge Ukraine after Kyiv's ground incursion. I admire you, Bangladesh interim caretaker to student leaders of protest. Now some sports news. India's campaign at the Paris Olympics 2024 ended with 6 medals. R. Vaishali Nihal Sarin, headline player draft ahead of Global Chess League Season 2. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, R. Ashwin, and Jasprit Bumrah set to miss Duleep Trophy. The top two javelin throwers in the world hail from South Asia, Neeraj Chopra and Arshad Nadeem. Olympics 2024, Neeraj Chopra won silver in javelin throw. Rahul Dravid to return to Rajasthan Royals, a report said. Now, news related to business. Hindenburg Research launch a broadside against the SEBI chairperson. Bharti Global to acquire 24.5% stake in BT Group from Altice UK. And that's all in news. Thank you.